To use color wallpapers for a vibrant, bold, or soft home screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap Wallpaper and Style. Tap the home screen thumbnail. Tap Wallpapers. Scroll down the screen. Tap Colors. Next, select the desired image. Here you can do some customization. To do so, tap Colors at the bottom of the screen. To increase the transparency level, drag the bar to the right to get a more transparent color. To change the color style, tap Style, and then select the desired style you like to use. You can choose between solid color or subtle gradient. If you are happy with the result, tap Done button. Go to your home screen. As you can see, the selected image has been set as your home screen wallpaper. By setting a wallpaper from the color section as your home screen wallpaper, you can transform your home screen into a bold, vibrant, or calming space, whatever suits your style best. This feature is perfect if you want a minimalist background that makes app icon pop, or a splash color to brighten your day. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.